长崎县Weixin Shengjiao Osaka Branch Temple has undergone another round of garden renovations this year. In February 2021, renowned garden designer Furukawa Mizumori was invited to help maintain the serene beauty of the garden. This year, Mr. Furukawa's team has continued the work, ensuring the safety and beauty of the garden. Osaka Branch Temple is a place to propagate the Dharma in the city. Its Japanese-style garden, featuring robust black pines and elegant podocarpus, offers a tranquil escape in the city. Many countries place great importance on the garden maintenance, but Japan is particularly renowned for its exquisite landscaping, such as the iconic dry landscape garden. The recent renovation focused on preserving the garden's serene atmosphere while ensuring its safety and structural integrity. The project includes removing hardwood trees and carefully grooming lawns, bushes, and other vegetation to create a more peaceful and meditative environment. The skilled craftsmanship of the team has revitalized the garden, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the profound essence of Zen. As the sole branch temple in Japan for Weixin Shengjiao, Osaka Branch Temple plays a vital role in propagating the Dharma. Under the guidance of Master Yuanjia, the temple actively engages with the local community, promoting I Ching and Feng Shui. With its changing seasonal beauty, from the summer cicadas to the winter snowfall, the garden offers a unique experience for visitors. Fellow cultivators traveling to Osaka are welcome to visit the Osaka Branch Temple to partake in worship and experience the tranquility of Zen meditation. Weixin reports, Osaka Branch Temple.